Good morning, Cakenistas. Everybody say good morning.
Good morning.
Cake, Biscotti. Say good morning. It's the day of the event that starts at 12. And I'm so excited because I'm not gonna go.
I was gonna say, are we still gonna do it? Are we gonna do it? I don't wanna go.
You got Scotty concerned.
Oh, sorry, Scotty, please.
So today will be decorating, Christmas decorating day. It'll be a good short rib day.
It would be. It's like a good overcast soup, relaxation, comfort.
We're just gonna go to the farmer's market. Then we're gonna go to my storage unit and we're gonna drop off a few things. That's where I keep my vendor event stuff.
42 degrees.
Oh, well, so it still is refrigerator temps. And then I'm going to get the Christmas tree out of storage. So that's what we're gonna do today. And then we're just gonna clean up, throw out the old buffet.
And the old ugly.
Oh,
That's pretty ugly now.
let's get the day started. Day 5 of Vlogmas.
I don't like my sound.
Well, because I was doing this horn thing, it goes. We're not going to Krispie Kreme for breakfast. That's crazy that a donut is considered breakfast. That's really backwards. Start your day off the sweet way. This is the local farmers market. They open up at 9 a.m. and we make sure to come at about 9 a.m. so you can see some of the places are still closed. This way you get first dibs on everything and you beat the crowd. And people are sick and coughing, so it was a good thing that we came this early. I love that they have a lot of produce from different countries, things that we would consider to be exotic. They have tangerines still on the vine. Like, where do you see that? Berries are always a great price, and cherries. And then my favorite fish market was down the hall, but I didn't stop there. People sound like they're about to die in here. I know, they look good. It's $4 a pack. I wanted to go over there, but she's like hacking up alone. So I'll just stay right here. What's that? Paper. I don't know what that is. What is that? Granola. Who is that? Everybody? Everybody's coughing? Can you just get my mango then? I'm about to hold my breath through here. I would like some vegetables. Why is everybody coughing? Local honey. Oh, how much? I'm just gonna get a cabbage. I did end up leaving with a cabbage, 2 sweet potatoes, and a mango. Check out these cowboy boots. When I said that I might be interested, this is where I might go. What do you guys think? Anyway, let's head up out of here before we catch something that we don't want to catch. Oh, they just make me hungry.
Are you
Padded walls. Do you think they have cameras in here? Probably. They're gonna let me out of my $100 lease that they raised $70 for no reason without telling me.
Here you go. I'll bring this down.
This place feels haunted. Oh, there's my cupcake case. Goodness! There's the wreath. Who's going back there? Oh. My cute little white Christmas tree. You don't want me to get that? You went in first like a champ.
I know, my wrist hurt. Sparkles everywhere.
Yes, it's a good thing. You always make glitter seem like, oh, don't touch me.
It's everywhere.
But it's really great. Glitter is like one of my favorite things in the world. Wow. What you gonna get her for Christmas? I heard that song on the radio for the first time. You know that song? What you gonna get her for Christmas? It's good. Damn, I'm gonna get you. I came in and I said, why is this like this?
For the judo team in college, right?
And mommy karate chopped that thing and did it 4 more times. I know. And she said be proactive, not reactive. So you got to get them when they're not knowing that you're going to get them. Cake nieces, would y'all do this? I think they Christmas wrap their trunk with actual paper. It looks like it's paper because it's lifted on the side. It's a little bit ghetto. Okay, so now I'm trying to break this one down. I'm like, should I just bust open all the doors and... because I want to throw this away. But I built it really well, y'all, years ago. Like 7, 8 years ago. Unless I just take this whole thing out. I worked the stewed beans out of this little 220-pound max weight little cart. Look at my lemon tree turning yellow. The lemons are turning yellow. And this looks like it's going to be a lemon or it's going to be a flower. I don't know. It's 12 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top. And I'm going to make some breakfast now. I like my pancakes a certain way. They must have crispy edges. So I do that by starting off with oil. And then I do some butter. So this is my batter. I'm making banana pancakes. If you've never had banana pancakes, I'm so sorry. This is still a keto pancake mix, so it doesn't bake or it doesn't cook exactly the way that regular pancakes cook. But, okay, first off, that's not hot enough. Pan is on medium-high heat. Gotta see the oil popping around the edges. And with this keto batter, it'll brown before it's actually done cooking, so you kind of have to carefully flip it over. Eggs with just some chopped bacon, butter, salt, and pepper.
Look at this. It's so good. This is a big flan, guys. Let me tell you.
Oh, it's so big. It's so big. It's heating up. It's huge. I think it's for a fool or a queen. Excuse me. Excuse me. I see you're yawning. Don't get any ideas. It's getting warm. It's getting toasty. You feel the warmth? I found these from last Christmas. They were in my stocking. And I tried to empty some out, and it came out in one big thing. Mommy said it looked like DNA. It only expired July 31st.
Oh, man.
Shower. I have been sitting here editing, kind of enjoying a moment of peace, but I really want to get this tree up, so let's get started. It's just, it's the kind that's like frosted, so like when you open it, all this white dust comes up, but it's so pretty. Okay. Come on now. Get it together. This is the fastest tree ever. Ooh, it just fits perfectly. am I putting a star? I'm gonna have to move it over if I'm gonna put something on top. I don't need anything on top. That's the downfall of this tree. And this is the downfall of this tree. And this is the downfall of this tree. And this is the downfall. This is the downfall. But it's nice, isn't it? It's pretty. So I'm gonna sit here and edit. Let me order some Chinese because I wanted some wonton soup. So I got some wonton soup and a shrimp roll. And it's gonna be my dinner. There's another container of ornaments. I have to find those. I hope that you enjoyed this video of day 5. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and best believe that I will be getting more ornaments for this tree soon. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, cake nieces.